Sacha Blanchet with Sacha Blanchet Fine Homes. And when I stage a kitchen, I really like to make sure it's clean and not too much on the countertops, because then really right now it creates some space. I can see I have a lot of space for cooking here in this kitchen. And of course I put a couple different items on the kitchen counter just to create a little bit of atmosphere, but also I don't want to have too many colors, you know. Colors can be a big distraction, especially in this beautiful kitchen. It's a very clean kitchen, nice, so you don't want to bring too many elements inside the kitchen. So we have great appliances as well, stainless steel, we want to show those as well. This is Sacha Blanchet with Sacha Blanchet Fine Homes. See you later.